Isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. So in this video, we are going to test our Powerhouse 24. That's a 2 units naka-parallel connection po and connected to this 3 kilowatt toroidal inverter. Naka-plug in po itong 2600 watt induction cooktop. Okay, so ito po yung BMS niya, naka-parallel mode. So, makikita po natin dyan. So, ngayon, it's about less than 2.7 watts. Siguro po yun kasi naka-plug in na siya. So, dadagdagan po natin yung water. Watching this, I hope you can see this. So, try po muna natin ang number 3. As you can see, nagkakaroon na po siya ng load. It's about 19 amperes. This is number 3. So, lagay po natin siya sa number 4. Hanggang number 5 po yung Lagerman niya na yan. So, at number 4, it's about 1,000 watts. So, fluctuating siya. Okay, yeah, 1,000 watt po, 42 amperes. So, lagay po natin siya sa number 5, which is the highest. So, yeah, umakyat na po siya. So, it's now 1,800 watts. Nagbo-boil na po yung water. Ayan po. It is consuming about 2,200 watts. Fluctuating. So yun po, nakapag-boil na po tayo in a matter of seconds. Nagbo-boil na po yung water, pwede na natin babasa sa number 3. So there you go. Dito pong induction cooktop na to is plugged into our 3 kilowatt inverter and it is being powered by 2 Powerhouse 24. Nandun po yung dalawang Powerhouse 24. So, ang bilis po, in matter of seconds lang, nakapag na po tayo. So kapag nagbo-boil na, pwede mo na siyang ibaba. Yun, naka number 3 na lang po siya. There you have it. So this induction cooktop is being run by our Powerhouse 24 and the 3 kilowatt inverter.
Take you with you wherever you go. Power on demand, now watch it flow. Count on your power supply, never fear.